Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, and then you will never miss any of my wig related videos. Today I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails, and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you have any questions about wig stock or colors in stock or anything like that. So today I am wearing this voluptuous, wavy new wig. Just stand back so you can see all the length. This is by Envy. This is Krista, and the color on this one is creamed coffee. So can't wait to tell you about this girl in just a minute. Let's jump in and start talking about Krista. So Krista is made from their Envyhair, which is 70% heat-friendly synthetic and 30% human hair. What that provides is you are able to heat style this, and it holds its style really nicely. So she has a ton of waves. She is very long. So I will start off with doing a 360 so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her measurements and stuff. So here she is from the front. Here's my left, the back, my right, and back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise, she is 6.5 to 8.5 inches here in the front. So there's some layering here, so that you have some layers that go around the face. But this, this bang is 6.5 inches. So if you wanted to have a bang across your forehead, you would definitely have to trim this back, maybe even take a couple inches off of that, because that's a pretty long bang. And I have to say, I'm having some trouble with it being in my face. So that might be, something to modify on this wig, is to trim that bang back a little bit. Okay, her crown measurement is 12 inches to 16 inches. Her sides are 12 inches to 17 inches, so you can see all this length here. And her nape is 19 inches. So she's very long. She's gonna be, down to, on me, down to my waist. So very, very long. So so she has the ear-to-ear lace front like we've seen in some of these other Envy wigs from this new collection. So I'll show you the lace front. And that lace front, like I said, it goes all the way down the ear tab. So there's the lace front. The knotting looks really good. This one does have a darker medium brown root. But the knots are tiny. Ear tabs. Again, so you can see when I pull that up, that lace. And this lace also, they leave a longer lace on these, so you might want to trim that back to the hairline. It's not super long on this one right at the hairline, but getting down here, you could trim it, if you just feel like you're seeing too much of the lace, But anyway, ear tabs. So I've got good coverage, just a tiny bit of bio hair peeking through there. This cap is fitting my petite head quite snugly. So we'll see how much stretch it has when I take the cap off. There's the other ear tab. And then she has a full mono top, so you can part her wherever you like. So there's the part. And then, you could part her anywhere up here on this top. You could part her. So you could part her from the right. You could part her in the center, wherever you want to do a part. And the piece is rooted, so you're going to have that rooting wherever you change that part as well. On this particular color, this creamed coffee. Okay, I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So as you can see, that ear-to-ear lace front, and in addition to that is an ear-to-ear poly strip. So you could put some adhesive up here, to help her stay on, or if you're completely bald or you have a lot of loss on the top, this really helps the wig be snug to your head. Then you've got a full, very generous full mono top. So covers the entire top of the head. So as I said, tons of parting options on her. So you've got just the soft felt that lines, around those ear tabs and that lace. You've got an open wefted cap that does have these stretchy lace. You can see that that's a lace lining in there, and it is very stretchy. So I think that this would definitely, this is an average size wig, so I think that this would definitely stretch to fit larger circumferences. But for petite headed people, it's really not bad. So if you like, you know, a really long haired wig, this might be a good option if you're petite. So she does have an extended felt nape, and she has Velcro adjusters. So there's that lace front. Talk about this color. This is creamed coffee, which, like I said, it is a rooted color, as you can see. Very, very pretty, auburny, brunette, you know, just very, very pretty color. So they describe creamed coffee as a medium golden brown base, highlighted with copper, warm honey blonde, and light golden blonde with a medium brown root. And I would definitely say it's a medium brown. It's not super dark. And these highlights are very, very pretty. They're easier to see up here, you know, where the wig is straighter. I will turn so you can see the color all the way around. And let's see if they tend to do kind of an undertoning where you can see the base color on the underside too. So here is this color, creamed coffee. This is under my patio cover. Very pretty, very auburn. So here's the lace front and the mono top. It's overcast. Forgive the pounding. They're building a house 2 doors down, so I'm sorry about the pounding. There's the rooting. Let's look at styling with Krista. So, in spite of all this hair and all these waves, she is ear tuckable. Her density actually, her volume comes from the waves in the back, but as far as the volume on the top, I'm not finding permatease or anything like that. So she's low volume here on the top. I think you could probably, you know, along with the rest of the hair, oh yeah, you could definitely, you know, get some volume on top if you prefer that. But, you know, it's funny with all these, she just has volume from the style. It's not from permatease or anything like that. So, okay, so she is ear tuckable. So, glasses work fine with her. These ear tabs, I find these ear tabs that have the lace all the way down, sorry about that glare, they're very, very easy with glasses. So, really easy. You can put them up on your head. Now, you definitely would not want to try to push all this hair back with your glasses. I would put the hair behind my ears and then put my glasses on. But she's very doable with glasses. She's cute with a headband, or she would be really pretty, you know, with a scarf tied in her or something like that. Really cute. And then, of course, you can do all kinds of, you know, half up and half down with her and have all that flowing hair back behind you. Actually pulling her up, half down, gets some of that, you know, weight of the hair off of your neck and stuff, you know, off of just right around your face, which this is how I would have to wear her. I would have to probably pull her back. And then you just want to make sure you don't pull up that ear tab. And then these layers here in the front, you know, you just let those be right around your face, the bangs. And you could, you know, you can add curl. These are heat styleable, so you could even curl those bangs, you know, put some little spirals in the bangs too if you wanted to. And then, of course, she's great for a ponytail as well. A very big, voluptuous ponytail, but it's very pretty. Really pretty. She's kind of got an 80s vibe. This reminds me of 80s like rock video hair. You remember that? If you're of a certain age. So really, really pretty. And then of course, with all this length, waves, all that, you could twist it. You could do all kinds of cool, you know, updos. Look, that looks really pretty. You know, just let some of those waves hang down. So she's got a lot of potential. You could, I took some pictures of her with a side pony and she looked really pretty like that. So, you know, she's got a lot of potential. You would probably want to put the wig on a wig head, you know, to do updos and things like that, but she could be braided, you know, she would be a pretty one to put us, you know, like a front braid, you know, flowing down, and that would also, you know, control her volume a little bit if it was a little bit much for you. So very, very pretty. She's got a lot of hair. So if you're, you know, someone who likes a wig, long, voluptuous, wavy wig, she is, you know, a very pretty one for you. So really, really pretty. Okay, so I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending me this wig to review for you today. Don't forget to go to the website and save that 30% off. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.